Hello everyone, in this video we are solving question 3 from the IMAT 2024 paper. Let's start by reading the question. The 100 Years' War was principally a conflict between which of the following kingdoms? Let's go through the options. A. The Kingdom of Aragon and the Kingdom of France. B. The Kingdom of France and the Kingdom of England. C. The Kingdom of England and the Kingdom of Portugal. D. The Kingdom of Castile and the Kingdom of Portugal. E. The Kingdom of Aragon and the Kingdom of Castile. So the question asks about the 100 Years' War, and the correct answer is B. Even if you don't immediately remember the 100 Years' War, you can eliminate the wrong answers. Aragon, Castile, and Portugal were kingdoms located in the Iberian Peninsula, whereas the 100 Years' War is one of the most famous conflicts involving England and France. So if you recognize these historical associations, it can help you find the correct answer quickly. A famous figure connected to this war is Joan of Arc, a French heroine who helped inspire French forces during an important stage of the war. A useful memory trick is to associate Joan of Arc with France. If you remember Joan of Arc and the 100 Years' War, that should immediately make you think of France. And from there, England becomes the obvious opposing side. This war lasted from 1337 to 1453, so despite the name being 100 Years' War, it actually went on for more than 100 years with breaks between. One major reason for the conflict was that English kings claimed that they had a right to the French throne. Hope this question helped. For more IMAT practice and testing resources, visit imatmock.com. Thanks for watching.